Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will learn how to solve the practice problem decimal to base conversion. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question, we are given a number, okay? And with the number, we are given a base value, okay? Using these two things, we need to give the output, okay? So a number is given, its base value is given, using which we have to convert it to a binary representation. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part, okay? What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school, okay? Then you need to find the problem decimal to any base conversion, okay? Decimal to any base conversion. Now let's move forward to the question. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given a decimal number n and the base b to which it should be converted. Convert the given number to the given base. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here. Okay, so let's start. 1 minute, enter. So return, I need to return something. What? Integer. Okay, integer value of what? The conversion, right? So over here, string. For string, we have two values, right? N, comma, B, right? And it should be converted to, 1 minute, to upper, and then case, right? Case and brackets, semicolon. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, so let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem decimal to any base conversion. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.